What if I told you that you could get thousands of visitors to your website or landing page for free? No paid ads, no complicated funnels, just organic free traffic that can help you build a thriving email list. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to share the best free traffic sources to grow your email list starting right now. In today's video, I'm going to break down the best free traffic sources that can help you drive tons of visitors to your landing page or website, and most importantly, convert them into subscribers. Whether you're a blogger, entrepreneur, or content creator, this video is packed with practical tips that you can start using right away. Traffic source number 1, content marketing, blogging, and SEO. Let's kick things off with one of the most powerful free traffic sources, content marketing. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. How is blogging and SEO free traffic? Well, the beauty of it is that when you publish high-quality content on your website or blog, you can drive organic traffic to your site without paying for ads. The secret here is search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is the process of optimizing your website content so it ranks higher on search engines like Google. When people search for topics related to your niche, if your content is optimized, it has a much higher chance of showing up in search results. For example, let's say you run a recipe blog. If you write a detailed post titled "The Best Healthy Breakfast Recipes for Weight Loss" and optimize it for SEO, you'll start attracting people who are specifically searching for healthy breakfast ideas. And guess what? Every time someone lands on your page, you've got an opportunity to turn them into an email subscriber, especially if you offer a valuable lead magnet like a free ebook of healthy recipes. So start creating blog posts, guides, and articles that answer questions or provide solutions your audience is actively searching for. And don't forget to include a simple call to action for people to join your email list. Traffic source number 2, social media, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. Next up, let's talk about social media, one of the best free traffic sources out there. And I'm not talking about paid ads. I'm talking about leveraging your social media profiles to get more eyes on your content and grow your email list for free. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are amazing for driving traffic to your landing page or website. Why? Because they allow you to connect with your audience in a personal way. People don't just want to see your promotions, they want to engage with you. For example, if you're on Instagram, you can create posts and stories that highlight your lead magnet. Let's say you offer a free downloadable checklist. You can share a post with a sneak peek of the checklist and a call to action asking your followers to visit the link in your bio to grab it. On Facebook, you can join groups related to your niche, share valuable content, and invite people to join your email list for exclusive resources. Pinterest is another great platform, especially for bloggers and content creators. It's a visual search engine, and if you create engaging pins linking to your lead magnet, you can attract a steady stream of free traffic. In fact, many bloggers get thousands of visitors from Pinterest each month, all for free. So get active on social media, share valuable content, and be sure to include a link to your email list in your bio or posts. You can even run giveaways or contests to encourage people to sign up. The more you engage with your audience, the more traffic you'll drive to your site. Traffic source number 3, YouTube video marketing. If you're comfortable in front of a camera, or even if you're just starting to experiment with video, YouTube is an incredible free traffic source that can supercharge your email list growth. Here's the thing, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, right behind Google, and the best part is, it's free to upload videos. By creating videos around your niche, you can start building an audience who trusts you, and they'll be more likely to sign up for your email list. For example, if you're a fitness coach, you could create workout tutorials or health tips videos. At the end of your video, encourage viewers to check out the link in your description to download a free workout plan or a nutrition guide in exchange for their email. The great thing about YouTube is that once your videos start getting views, they keep working for you, generating traffic long after they're published. Plus, YouTube allows you to reach a global audience. Whether you're teaching a new skill or reviewing products, video content can be highly engaging and help establish your credibility and trust with viewers. So start creating valuable, evergreen content that aligns with your audience's needs, and be sure to use strong calls to action in your videos to guide them toward your email list. Traffic source number 4, guest posting and collaborations. Alright, let's move on to guest posting and collaborations, another great way to generate free traffic. Guest posting is when you write a post for someone else's blog or website. In return, you get to promote your own website or email list to their audience. This is a win-win because you get exposure to a new audience and the website owner gets fresh content for their site. When looking for guest posting opportunities, focus on websites or blogs in your niche that have an engaged following. You can write a blog post that's helpful and informative and include a link to your lead magnet or email sign-up page. Collaborations like teaming up with influencers, other bloggers, or even YouTubers can also be a huge traffic driver. Doing a joint webinar, podcast, or social media shout-out can introduce you to their audience, expanding your reach without spending any money. The key is to find like-minded people in your niche and offer value to their audience while also promoting your lead magnet. It's a fantastic way to tap into new communities and grow your email list at the same time. Traffic source number 5, forums and online communities, Reddit, Quora, etc. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about online communities and forums like Reddit and Quora. These platforms are perfect for driving free traffic to your website because they're built around discussions and problem solving. On Reddit, for example, there are niche communities called subreddits where people ask questions and share information. By participating in these discussions and providing valuable answers, you can subtly promote your lead magnet and drive traffic back to your website. Just be sure to follow each subreddit's rules about self-promotion, or you might get flagged. Similarly, Quora is another place where you can answer questions and include links to your lead magnets. It's all about giving thoughtful, helpful answers to questions your target audience is asking. In your responses, you can link to your lead magnet as a resource for more information. These platforms are fantastic for establishing yourself as an authority in your niche, and with the right strategy, you can generate a steady flow of free traffic to your email sign-up page. So there you have it, 5 amazing free traffic sources that you can start using today to grow your email list. Whether you're leveraging content marketing, social media, YouTube, guest posting, or online communities, there's no excuse not to get started. These strategies may take time, but the best part is that they're completely free and they can deliver incredible results when done consistently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with someone who's also looking to grow their email list. And I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite free traffic source? Drop a comment below and let me know. Also, if you want more tips and tricks on growing your online business, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.